Hey guys, so today is maintenance day and this video is just a get rid of me for my 23rd birthday, which is my golden birthday. Clock it. So today I'm gonna be doing my lashes appointment and my nails appointment, and I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow, which I'm also gonna record and add to this video. This video is gonna go till I'm on the cruise. Okay, stop playing. Anyways, yeah, keep watching and let's get into this video. My lashes appointment was pretty cool. The girl was so friendly and I didn't even feel anything for my first time. I was so scared. I thought I was gonna feel it, but I was just lying there. I even fell asleep. You guys should definitely book her. She's called Glam Garden. She's on Instagram. You can find her on Instagram with Glam Garden. She's so good. Even though my lashes didn't come, lasted that long, but it's my first time. I don't know how long it can last. It's been a week and a half and it's not this full anymore. But yeah, she has such good service. She did my lash pretty good, pretty quick. 2 hours. Was it 2 hours? I don't know, but yeah, it was pretty quick. I know that she finished before the expected time. So yeah, book her, yeah. So guys, we're done with the lashes. Do you see? Tell me, what do you guys think? I actually wanted a cat eye, but this is not bad. I want a long cat eye, the lashes that I usually wear, but this is my first time. It doesn't feel like I have lashes on though. Okay, now it's time to get the nails done. Let's go. So guys, I just reached my nails appointment. I just reached the girl house. And yeah, I'm about to call her and go inside and get my nails done, okay? Do you post your work on TikTok or no?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good.
What if I told you this is a 15 years old girl doing my nails? You won't believe it, right? I know, she's super talented. She's nails by Annie. I'm gonna put her Instagram on the screen so you guys can see, and she's super talented. You guys should definitely book with her. If you search her page, she did my little sister nails. That's why I got a recommendation.
Okay guys, so I'm done with my nails and it's so cute. Like, look at it. From 3 to 5, but it was worth it. Anyways, I'm on my way home. Since this morning I haven't eaten anything yet. Like, you gotta be kidding me. But I'm not feeling hungry though, so I'm just gonna go home and eat my tabaki. So guys, I just got home. My family, yeah, so I am home alone. But guys, look at my bed. My mom got me pajamas to carry. Like, oh, let me show you guys. This is so cute. Okay, look at this, guys. This is so cute. Ooh. And this is the dress. Of course I'm carrying this. This is so cute. I can't wait to put it on. Like, what? I've already packed pajamas though, but I am definitely carrying this. Like, look at this. This is so cute. Like, guys, are you seriously? Oh my. Okay. So I'm done for the day. I did my lashes and my nails, so I am typically done for the day. And with my hair, I gotta take this hair off. Like, I actually wanted to carry this hair, but I can't, because carrying this hair means I have to carry all of my hairspray, all of my hair things. And I also have to carry flat iron because I don't want to wear this hair on my birthday. So if I'm carrying it, it's just for the 21st and the 22nd. And I have to take it off the 23rd and install the hair that I actually want to wear. But then I don't want to carry all of that things. I don't have space for it. I'm already done packing. I spent all night packing. All night. I spent packing last night. And yeah, I'm not feeling tired anyways. So yeah, my suitcase is already full. I just need to carry my little carry-on bag. I just need to pack my little carry-on bag, which I will do later. I'll probably record it or not. But yeah, since this morning I haven't eaten, so I'm gonna eat. Okay, see you guys when I'm installing my hair. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so it's next morning and I just woke up. I'm gonna be installing my wig now. Yeah. Ooh. This is my cutter. Ooh, I did not sign up for this. My frontal lobe. I need to go for a week. My 1 week trip this spring. So let's hope we go for the week. I'm kind of low-key glad I'm actually installing this here. Because imagine all of this, doing all of this on the trip. Do you know how many hours it's gonna take me? Perfect. Now my head is fighting for his left. Anyway, I'm done laying it. It's gonna be there for hours. So this is the spray that I use. And then a space bag. Oh, my nails. You see how Cartier is still in. This hair is a real OG. Yeah. Someone said put leave-in conditioner in your Cartier hair so that the curls remain fresh. I'm thinking about it, but I'm also scared what if water touch it and start. This fluffy, this is too worried. Well, unfortunately, I don't have a leave-in conditioner. So I put mousse in my hair because why not? Since I don't have a leave-in conditioner, I do have mousse.
So it was 2 o'clock. I was done getting ready. My mom offered to drop me at my friend's house because that's where we're gonna pick up from to go to the airport at 4:30. You know, because our flight pick up at 6 o'clock. Our boarding time was 5 something. I came in to tell my little siblings bye before going. They were all asleep, and they even told me to wake them up. But yeah, I told my siblings bye, and this trip was very eventful. I am talking this slow because it's 2 o'clock and I'm not sleeping. But yeah. So yeah, after telling my siblings good night, my mom dropped me off to my friend's house and we pick up from there. It's late, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. So yeah, this is my friend. Very pretty, very cutesy. Yeah. At 3 o'clock we're on our way to the airport. Yeah, and I didn't even know that I had to pay for my luggage. Yeah, I left a lot of my good things at home because I didn't want it to, you know, overfill my luggage. But I had to pay for my luggage because they said it was too big to be a carry-on. So I had to pay for my luggage. That was so unfortunate. And I even left all of my hairspray in matching over there. Anyways, it was my first experience, and yeah, so after checking in, we went to look for our gate, and my friend mom were actually flying with us as well, which was very great because we were definitely gonna miss our flight if she wasn't, because we will be doing TikTok instead of, you know, going and checking in. But yeah, so far so good. This trip was meaningful.
Period. Just checking. This is Kid E on this side. Over there. On straight, yeah. We're going to our kids.
Your attention please. Carry on to the aircraft. All checked and carry-on baggage is subject.
E13. There's a lot of goodies in here. The entire place is women. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's an investment. Two pretty girls in there.
In the bathroom at the airport.
Guys, we're about to board. It's almost time. And yeah, see you guys in the plane. We're about to board. We made it. We made it. We made it.
This was just a 3 hours flat, but I slept, wake up, and ate. You know, my big pack said when I say no to food. So yeah, they offer food and I choose tea and this nice biscuit. This biscuit is the reason why I would always fly with American Airlines, because what do you mean I can get this nice biscuit? I love this biscuit. Anyone know where they can sell this biscuit? Please comment, because I need this biscuit because it's so nice. I cannot wait to this day again.
Tea, tu wanna sabi?
Just watch.
Best 30. 30. The okay.
So this is us in the Uber. Miami is so pretty, yeah, but it's super hot. I'm telling you, Miami is super hot. I couldn't stand the heat, hotter than Africa probably. And yeah, despite all of my sunscreen, I still came home looking tinted. But yeah, not so bad. I enjoy my vacation anyways. So this is all at the terminal we just reached. And yeah, I'll pass through checking. The place is so beautiful. The cruise is beautiful. We're done checking in and we're done with the master station. The cruise was so party. But we got in earlier when it's stayed on long. Afterwards, we went in to change for that heat because the place was so hot. So we changed for that stuff. And then guess what? We went straight for Gar's Burger. And I'm telling you, this burger did not disappoint. This burger is everything. No wonder everyone wants to taste this Gar's Burger. Oh my gosh. Afterwards, my big pastor still went for food because why not? It's free food now. It's not free, but yeah, it's free. At 1 o'clock, our room was ready and we went to check it out. I tried doing, making video to show you guys our room, but it kept deleting. Anyways, this is our view from our balcony.
We are leaving now.
And yeah, we pick up the cruise. Actually, pick up at 3 o'clock, and we were leaving Miami. And our first stop in the Bahamas. But I did not edit this video. I'm gonna actually upload a short of the Bahamas. So yeah, this is the sail away party. Everyone came out for the sail away party. This is me, Body T, cause she could. Okay, let's get serious. Anyways, I'm gonna post the talking here. Yeah, actually just see for yourself.
Now
The
tell me
place
why
is
they have
big
cereal
and
lined up
beautiful,
like this.
so why not? And the people even have cereal. Like, what are you giving me? They have everything. Anyways. So my bed came in at I don't know when, but yeah, this is me unpacking all of my stuff and putting in all so that life be easier. This 1 week I was just trying to make life easier. Okay, at 8 o'clock we got ready for dinner. This is me looking so cutesy. Look at that baby. Anyways, Patty T, she good. This is our dinner house. We came for dinner. This place was so good. We ate a lot of dinner. We ate a lot of food, appetizer, dessert, and whatever you get called. So later they brought party in the dinner house. Everyone was dancing. The party was nice. The people came to entertain us doing dinner and it was cute. That's my friend mom. She's so pretty. She looks so young. People thought she was our big sis, but anyways, the party was tea. Everyone was dancing. And yeah. It's my favorite dessert, and I'm gonna try making it. So after dinner, we'll go ready for bed. And I wrote the pajamas my mom gave me. Look at this, so cute. Anyways, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Love you.